Welcome back to the Cars, Cats, and Cannabis YouTube channel. We are here on the Crystal River in Glen Arbor enjoying some kayaks in February in northern Michigan. Wanted to go over a few of the things, our setup. These are some dry pants to keep you dry, Kokatat Hydrus 3-layer, and then she has ones that go up to her knees. And you can either use the neoprene boots like this or just Crocs, but it's a beautiful day. Almost 70 degrees here in northern Michigan, and using a Hurricane Prima 125. It's a 12.5-foot kayak, 375-pound capacity, because I don't want to say obese, but you know, working on it. It's a gorgeous day here in the Sleeping Bear National Lakeshore. This is a ABS kayak, so instead of being roto-molded where they have a little bit more durability, you do have to be a little bit more careful with this, but it glides through the water a little bit better. And this kayak only weighs 40 pounds without the seat, so helps with maneuverability. Join us for this video. I'm going to do a little bit of a tour of the Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. We're going to be on the Crystal River, in the Platte River, also Lake Michigan and Grand Traverse Bay, testing these kayaks out in some different conditions and enjoying the unseasonably warm weather. Yeah, the seat's very comfortable on this for a large frame. I'm like 6'3", 250 for you Americans. River's gorgeous. Had to get over a log there, but back to your regularly scheduled programming. Lots of cedar trees. What I really like here is the hemlocks. You don't see much of those because of the, I believe, the woolly adelgid. But here they're thriving. State tree, the white pine, the big one up ahead. These forests were all logged in the late 1800s, but doing well. This is part of the Sleeping Bear Dunes Lakeshore. Gorgeous.
I don't think so.
It's like a cypress. That's the beautiful tree you've seen in some of the other videos. I know as you've been watching this, you've seen us maybe cut to a little bit different weather here and there, but it's to sort of compare the different sections and how they look in, you know, different kinds of weather. This is all shot between late February up here, all in the last week, so cool to see how it feels different and when it snows versus when it's like 60 degrees now, Fahrenheit. Beautiful day. We'll take it. Coming to a bigger section here. A little deeper. Still just as clear, but yeah, really loving these kayaks, especially the 40 pounds. Do a separate video on the trailer setup. Don't have to get them on and off the roof all the time since we use them a lot. Enjoy these other clips of some different weather, different parts of this river. Gonna have some more videos now. The van, the cat, other things. Feel free to subscribe if you like the vibe. Coming at you with some van content next. Kayaking in February. Sleeping Bear National Lakeshore. In the moonlight. Got the Sleeping Bear Dunes in the background there. It was a beautiful day. Figured we might as well take advantage of the warm weather. We're in about 1 foot of water here in Lake Michigan, and it's just beautiful. Well, I think it's about time to leave. That doesn't look too friendly. And before the ice locks me in. But it's been a beautiful day.